Hello fellas, again welcome to Programming with Pranshu, and today we'll be making a random password generator in Python. So guys, let's roll the intro. So guys, what we'll do is that we'll just be taking a user input. That's what the user will give, through which he or she can remember the password. Then again we'll be making the word reverse. That's user will be take the use of slicing with the last argument -1 is the easiest way to make the string reverse. Then we'll be taking an array that will contain all the special characters, which are dot, dash, hashtag, @ and what? Yes, these are the characters. So we'll be using many more characters, not in this video. So guys, it was just a joke, but it's not funny, I know that. So then we'll be taking the word. If we now what it will do is that it will just take a word. For example, I've just written word, so it will be draw @ I'll be using the random numbers, so it is like this 721. Think it will just take a random special character from the array, so it will be just the word with the reverse of the word which the user is given, and the special character, and the what will tell that? Yep, that's the number. So let's start the programming. So what I'll do is that I'll be importing the random module, and here because I'll be needing the random module and the math module. We'll be creating. So let's import them.
I'll just import the random module.
Everything module.
Just writing
Just
random.
ignore that. Then everything.
And then I'll just import the math module,
using math to round up the random number, because we'll be using random dot random.
I know I can use many other functions,
so
like rand int or something.
Actually, what will be?
But I know random dot random.
Rand int functions and many more functions, but I'll be using random dot random function because it's really a meaningful function to use in the program, like this kind of programs. That's random password generator. So now guys, I'm not copied the code from anywhere, I just made it my own. And it's a very small program. So what I'll be doing is that I'll be making a function named password gen. It will take the user input that's in the form of the argument named word. Password gen. Guys, it's lagging actually. Password gen word, then colon, then enter. Then what we will do is that we'll be doing word is equal to word sliced version of the word. Word is equal to the sliced version of word And then what we will do is that we'll be taking an array of symbols. So let's type the thing what I've told. Word is equal to word colon colon -1. Guys, the interpreter is lagging, really lagging, or the video is lagging, no, but the interpreter is lagging. Using sim, or sim. So for that I'll be taking the random numbers that n is equal to random dot random. Now here's another logic, guys, that's random dot random returns a floating point number between 0 to 1. So guys, it returns a number between 0 to 1, like 0.123456789 and 0.24568789, and again 0.00000096, like this. It returns a floating point number between 0 to 1. And now guys, what I'll do is that the number which will come out, I'll just multiply it with the maximum number minus the minimum number and add the minimum number to the product. Guys, I know that you'll be seeing the video a little bit laggy because it's laggy. So guys, here I've taken the random multiplied by 999 minus 100, that's 899, and plus 100. So because if you just directly multiply 999, then it will take out a number between 0 to 99, but we need a number between 100 to 99. So we'll be doing this to take out a number between a range. So guys, it's done, and then we'll be taking the array of the symbols. So guys, I have named the array of the symbols sim, and now what we will do is that I'll just name a variable named compSim is equal to random.choice function we'll be using here. That's random.choice sim. What it will do is that it will just take a random index factor from the sim. So guys, now we will return the full string that will concatenate all the strings present in here. That's word plus compSim plus, we'll just typecast the number returned by random.random, the n variable, to str. So here it's compSim plus n str. Then here I'll just typecast it to str, and I'll be using the mat.ceil function. So guys, let's cut it out. So guys, here as you can see that I've just done what I've told. mat.str parenthesis mat.ceil parenthesis n. So now we have came out of the function. We'll be taking the user input, that's word is equal to input, then enter a word of your choice. So guys, now then what we will do is that print password, and we'll be passing the user input that word as the argument of password gen. So guys, this is what we have got. Now we are we'll be testing our program. So I've given ABC and it is written CBA hyphen 26. Now guys, just give spaces or else you will not be able to see. Sometimes it happens. So for avoiding that, I'm giving spaces, but I know that you can see without giving spaces also. Guys, just leave that discussion. So guys, you enter a word of choice. Now CBA hyphen 986 and CBA dot 459. Then again, what will give? So let's try this by giving my name. Oh no, it's just giving the P capital. So what we will do is that after getting the word, we'll do it word is equal to word dot lower, so that it will convert all the letters of the word to lower case. Guys, it's word dot lower word CA. So guys, it's giving all the symbols also now. So guys, it's a very nice program. It's not giving hashtag. Please give my hashtag to me. Let me see. So guys, this was our program that we did for today, and don't forget to enjoy the video. Oops, my mistake. Don't forget to enjoy the video, and if you enjoy the video, just press the like button and click the subscribe button, and after that don't forget to click the notification bell for getting the latest updates of my channel. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe it guys. It's nothing, just you have to can you see the red subscribe button down there? Yes, that, just click it. It will become gray, then done. You don't have to do kind of subscription for that. Just click the subscribe button, go fast, just click the subscribe button. So guys, this is the video for today, and goodbye.